Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. To get started, you will need to hold your power button, and when your two boot options show up, you want to hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode with the message, do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They'll be restored when you reboot again. I'm going to confirm by selecting OK, and now we just need to wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, now that the device turned back on, we have safe mode marking right here at the bottom just to signify that we are in this mode, and you'll also see that a bunch of applications right here don't seem to work, which, okay, settings is not one of them, but for some reason, whatever. Anyway, here we have a couple applications that will not work. You can see that they're grayed out, and if you try to open them up, it just gives you this pop-up right here at the bottom. Now, just to clarify, this mode is strictly designed for troubleshooting your device, so if you don't have any kind of problems with it, there is really no reason for you to enter this mode, because it will enter airplane mode, and any application that you have installed yourself will not be working in this mode. Anyway, with that being said, once you're done with it, and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you need to do is hold your power button once more, and this time around select restart. When the device reboots, it automatically goes back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.